Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to change your font in Google Sites. First, visit sites.google.com, then click on the website you want to change the fonts or the text font for. Then click on Themes from this corner, and just like that, select the text font you want to use. Let's see this one. As you can see, the font automatically or instantly changes in my website, inside my website editor. Yes, the website editor. When you found in my case, this font is the one I liked. You can also change for the same font. You can change between the classic, simple, or heavy. These three options are available, I think, for all. Before I continue this tutorial, I would like to let you know that you can get access to my Google Sites online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Google Sites, building content, for example, how to write articles and upload videos or photos, also enhancing your Google site, like how to add an image carousel, a video background, a WhatsApp link, Facebook pixel, also publishing and managing, customizing and advanced features, like how to add sitemap to Google Sites, additional features like how to rotate images on Google Sites, how to resize images, print Google Sites. Also, another category of monetizing your Google Sites, for example, how to promote affiliate links on Google Sites. Special use cases for Google Sites, like how to use Google Sites to make a portfolio, a blog, a gaming website, how to create a login page, and finally, managing your Google site, like how to index your Google site and also how to export it. If you want to get access to all of this today for free, and also my other free online courses inside my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. The fonts here, let's keep it, let's use this diplomat font, and don't forget to save your changes by hitting this publish button. Click again on publish, and let's view my website live. And this is how to change the font in Google Sites. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.